In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy from Alibaba safely for personal use. 2026, step by step. First, head to the official Alibaba website or open the Alibaba app. Create an account if you're new, or simply log in. Having an account lets you save chats, track orders, and keep all your documents in one place, which is essential for a smooth, protected purchase. Next, search for the product you want. Use the search bar and then narrow your results with safety-focused filters. Turn on Verified Supplier to prioritize businesses that have passed Alibaba's checks, and enable trade assurance so your payment and order are protected by Alibaba's policies. Sort by high ratings and read recent reviews to see real buyer experiences and consistency over time. Open a few product listings and go through the details carefully. Study the photos to confirm materials, colors, and packaging. Read the description to ensure the specifications match what you need. Check the minimum order quantity, known as MOQ. For personal use, look for listings with low MOQs or the option to buy a sample. Review shipping fees and delivery options, as cost and speed can vary widely by carrier and destination. Finally, scan customer reviews and any user-uploaded photos to validate quality and reliability. Use Alibaba's chat to contact suppliers directly. Keep all communication on the platform for documentation and protection. Ask about current product availability to avoid back orders. Confirm estimated shipping time so you know when to expect the item. Clarify the warranty or return policy in writing, including who pays return shipping if something goes wrong. Request actual product photos or short videos taken by the supplier so you can compare them to the listing. If possible, request a sample first. This small upfront cost can save you from disappointment later and helps you verify quality, packaging, and transit time. While you wait, compare multiple suppliers on price, quality, responsiveness, and clarity of answers. Choosing a supplier who communicates well often leads to better outcomes. When you're ready, place your order through Alibaba's secure checkout and make sure trade assurance is selected. Pay only with secure methods inside Alibaba, such as credit or debit card, PayPal when offered by the supplier, or bank transfer processed through Alibaba. Avoid paying outside the platform even if someone offers a discount. After purchase, track your shipment from your Alibaba account. When the package arrives, inspect the item carefully and test any features before confirming delivery. If something isn't as described, message the supplier through Alibaba right away. Follow these steps and you'll shop safely and confidently for personal use on Alibaba.